The power output of 1,000 watts on a Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, western Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over McGovern, or over Canonsburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bethel Park, McMurray, Canonsburg, Gastonville, South Park Township, Jefferson Hills, Clairton, Denora, Monongahela, McGovern, New Eagle, Wickerham Manor Fisher, Baylen, Elizabeth, Houston, Lincoln, Sudlersville, West Elizabeth, Finleyville and Meadowlands. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Washington and Westmoreland. Flash flood.